Welcome back to QrepubliC. Today is October 21st, 2021, Thursday. Our PSEi today closed at 7,311.72 with foreign buying around 300 million pesos. Hindi pa po tayo consistent sa ating buying dito sa ating net foreign indicator, but the good thing is that nabawasan or naputol po natin yung ating selling pressure. So we still need to continue to monitor this as this will give us the hint kung mapupush pa ba natin pataas yung ating PSEi or bababa pa ulit tayo. Sa ating news today, isa sa mga reasons ng pagtaas ng ating market recently is our upcoming third quarter earnings season. At yung pagte-trade daw natin above 7,000 level indicates optimism sa mga businesses na magbubukas pa, especially this Christmas season, which consumer spending can be observed. Siyempre nga naman maraming magiging transactions like sa mga bumibili ng mga gifts, Christmas party, New Year's party, pang Noche Buena, Medianoche. So magiging active talaga yung ating Christmas season. On the other hand naman, we have some red flags sa ating remittances dahil nababawasan yung volume ng padala ng ating mga OFW, and it has been noted as well that number of OFWs are declining due to COVID-19. So isa yan sa mga concerns ng ating mga economists as of the moment, which I think is somewhat uncontrollable. Kumbaga hanggat hindi pa tayo nakakabalik pre-pandemic state, marami pa rin po problema sa trabaho, not just the OFWs. Kaya naman sa ating mga nagtatrabaho, gaano man kahirap to, kailangan natin makita yung positive side para maging thankful tayo. So going back sa ating chart, our momentum remains strong, still creating higher highs pero lumiliit yung ating candlestick. So we are having a consolidation. Hindi pa tayo makakuha ng solid buyers to push the price further. So lumalaban pa yung ating mga sellers. Kaya naman pullback is possible to happen as we have room for it dito banda sa ating lower border ng ating uptrend channel or malapit sa ating moving average 9. So dips may happen, and sabi nga po natin, take that opportunity to add shares if we still have some BP to become more profitable, as our analysts are remaining positive sa ating PSEi to maintain the 7,000 level. So let us continue to monitor our market, be wiser than we are yesterday, and continue to invest for our future. For LTG, today noticeable yung huge volume natin accompanied by a solid bullish candlestick considering na nasa resistance level tayo. Sa ating net foreign indicator, we're on buying around 57 million pesos. Maganda po yung naging buying natin today, higher than usual, and consistent buying pa rin tayo since October 15th. So dito sa consolidation natin in the short term, it seems na ang winner natin are the buyers as we were able to broke our immediate resistance due to our strong momentum. So sa mga meron pong shares dito kay LTG, continue to hold lang po due to our strong momentum. And because of this as well, buy could be an option as we have a good chance to break out completely our sideways range. And at this point, breaking out our moving average 200 or itong green line natin sa may 11 peso area is also a possibility due to the strong momentum that the market shown today plus consistent support from our foreigns. For Ayala Corporation, our volume remains flat but the market managed to create a higher high today, and our candlestick today is still undecided. But the good thing is that gumawa tayo ng high price, meaning nadagdagan yung ating buyers, but probably the short-term holders are taking profit. Like if they were able to bought on the support 836 area, so roughly 5% na kagad yung kanilang gains. Sa ating net foreign indicator, we are on buying today around 90 million pesos, so we are still consistent on buying since October 14th. So the 836 area remains our strong support, and our volume remains steady while our prices are going up bit by bit. So hold and buy on dips can still be our option for Ayala Corporation, especially we have a good support from our foreigns. For JFC, our volume is increasing from our last dip and more on buyers ang ating nagiging winner, especially today, which shows na maraming sumasalo or bumibili at our low price or dito banda sa ating moving average 9 around 224 pesos kasi na-push natin pataas yung ating price. It's a good sign as it shows na nagiging maganda yung ating support from our buyers, and trading below 220 peso area is likely to happen due to our market support. Sa ating net foreign indicator, buying tayo today around 74 million pesos. Maganda ang ating support today as it's higher than usual and consistent pa rin po tayo on the buying since October 7th. 210 peso area remains our strong support as our momentum is getting strong. Buyers are notable as well, kaya naman more on hold and buy on dips are the possible options that we have for JFC as of this time, especially we have a good support from our foreigns. And for our latest news, Jollibee buys back $203 million offshore notes. So 250 million yung kanilang target out of $600 million, and as of October 18, $203 million na po yung kanilang nabibili. So isa po ito sa kanilang strategy to have their debt obligations to become more lesser or fewer, and basically for financial growth. For Basic Energy Corporation, market shown a good rebound or pag-regain ng ating momentum as our volume remains high and we formed a bullish candlestick, solid bullish candlestick today. So as of the moment, we are maintaining our support at 0.68 area. Sa ating net foreign indicator, we are on buying today around 300,000. Maliit, pero ang maganda is we stop the selling pressure from our foreign side. So bantayan natin to kasi isa sila sa may malaking contribution if mapapataas ba or mapapababa natin yung price ni BSE. Our volume is decreasing from the last time na nagkaroon tayo ng strong move, which indicates na nababawasan yung ating trading transaction or market value. On positive note, that is good kasi nagiging stable yung galaw ng market and we are having that stability sa ating current support ngayon. So hopefully, mas maging stable pa tayo para mas ma-maintain natin tong support. Bumaba man yung ating volume, hopefully is maging green pa rin siya para we can maintain itong support natin 0.60. So especially maka-form tayo ng good green candlestick, so kahit maliliit lang. So we have yet to see this in the coming trading days. So yan yung babantayan natin yung kanya stability. On the red flag note naman, it's an early warning sign ng panghihina ng ating momentum kasi bumababa yung ating volume. Pero warning pa lang yan kasi we are still trading above moving averages and still far from our moving average 9. So the momentum is still there. We just have an early warning sign. So sa mga current holders natin, we still need to watch out yung paggalaw ni BSE. We don't want to see the same move as yesterday kung saan mataas ang ating volume at solid bearish candlestick yung ginawa ng ating market. Kasi it will indicate as a continuation of selling pressure and may cause for our price to go down further. Ganon din naman po yung pwede nating bantayan if we want to buy to BSE as of the moment, and also yung ating foreigns if they are will remain on a buying mode or selling mode. For Surtech, we are holding on to our momentum as we broke our downtrend yesterday due to our strong momentum accompanied by a high volume. Sa ating net foreign indicator, as of the moment, wala po tayong makitang support. Though maganda naman dahil wala naman tayong selling pressure, kaya lang walang tutulong sa market to push the price up. Apparently, we cannot confirm yet our breakout since volume-wise, hindi natin na-sustain yung support from the market as we went down to average volume today. So, buying of shares as of the moment may not be a good idea, especially our fundamental scores shows that we are on red flag sa ating earnings per shares, and book value wise mataas yung ating value. As to holding of shares, sa ating mga current holders, we have to be ready sa possible na pag-breakdown ulit natin sa ating moving average 50 or pagbalik dito sa ating downtrend channel due to lack of support from the market. However, it's too early to tell na magbe-breakdown ulit tayo kasi wala rin namang strong selling pressure since mababa lang yung ating volume. Although may mga warnings tayo, so it will be for us to decide. We just need to be ready for any possibilities. So more on observation po tayo dito if we are to maintain our momentum or if we are going to go down again sa ating downtrend channel. For MONDE, we are barely trading above moving average 9 and market formed a solid bullish candlestick today, but the low is volume. Net foreign indicator wise, nabawasan yung ating selling volume, but we can still see the selling pressure from our foreigns. Thus, hindi pa po bumibili yung ating mga foreigns sa current price or range natin kay MONDE. Fundamental score wise, red flag tayo sa ating earnings per share and mataas yung ating price to book value, so less attractive po siya yung mga scores natin sa ating mga investors. Apparently, ito pong performance natin may just be a result from our continuous selling ng mga nakalipas na araw, kumbaga just a bounce, but not necessary we are going up again. So ngayon kasi wala pa tayong stability, more on sellers yung ating na-observe, especially ng mga nakaraang araw. Our foreigns are on selling as well. So more on observation pa rin tayo. If soon, dito ba sa 15.30 support natin is makakita tayo ng balance between buyers or sellers or mananalo pa rin ba yung ating mga sellers, causing us to break down our support at 15.30 area. So yan po yung isa sa maganda nating obserbahan kung saan tayo makakita ng balance kasi ngayon is lamang yung ating mga sellers. Kaya naman there's a good chance na hindi tayo makaproceed sa pag-akyat. So yan po yung isa sa mga babantayan natin kay MONDE. For Robinsons Land Corporation, apparently ito yung ayaw natin mangyari, yung mostly na watch out natin sa ating mga stocks na merong momentum at nasa resistance area. Itong solid bearish candlestick na ginawa natin today accompanied by a high volume. It seems that meron tayong early warning sign na maaari hindi tayo tumuloy sa pag-breakout sa ating downtrend channel or resistance at 1750, as we can see in our candlestick today na marami tayong sellers. Net foreign indicator wise, we are on selling as well, around 23 million pesos. So hindi consistent ang ating support. Last 4 days, okay silang bumili sa price ni RLC. Ngayon naman po is hindi sila bumili sa current range natin. Pero we have to observe further dito kay RLC kasi kung titingnan natin siya in 30-minute time frame, nag-open tayo same with our closing price yesterday at umangat tayo today around 3%. So possible yung ating mga current holders na gain na tapos nadagdagan pa ng 3% yung kanilang gain, possible na tinake nila yung opportunity na yon para mas maging profitable, then nag-exit sila. So tingnan po natin, isa lang siya sa possible reasons. Sa ngayon naman, we still have momentum as we are still trading above moving average 9 and other moving averages. So mga warning signs pa lang naman po yung nakikita natin. It doesn't mean na confirm na yung pagbaba ulit natin sa kanya. Kasi in essence, meron pa tayong pullback room just before our moving average 9, which is around 17 peso area. So pullback lang siya. So may momentum pa rin. So more on hold and observation pa rin po yung pwede natin gawin dito kay RLC as of this time. For Metrobank, our volume remains flat and naging maliit lang yung ating candlestick and it's undecided after ng ating solid candlestick kahapon or solid buyers. What's good on our candlestick today, it signifies na meron tayong healthy consolidation between buyers and sellers And we are somewhat maintaining our closing price yesterday. Kumbaga, flat movement lang tayo today. Sa ating net foreign indicator, we are on buying today around 3.70 million pesos. So, consistent buying pa rin po tayo since October 7. So, it shows na buyers pa rin po yung ating mga foreigns on its current price or range. We are still on the resistance area and consolidating, and we still need to watch out for any changes sa ating momentum like forming a solid bearish candlestick which may indicate a possible weakness at hindi natin kayanin na ma-breakout completely yung ating resistance area. So these are the things that we have to consider in case we are holding Metrobank shares as of the moment. And for the buying, it's still fine as our momentum is still there, especially we have consistent support sa ating foreigns. And same thing lang yung kailangan nating i-watch out just in case gusto natin bumili kay Metrobank.
Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la.